I assist my relocating buyer to looking for their dream home in Hawaii. Actually, when they live in here, it's easier for them to explore the different neighborhood and they can look for the place they really want to live. During the process, when they still have the lease contract, I'm helping them to smoothly translate from rental to home ownership. During the house hunting process, it's a little bit difficult for the home buyer because they will feel overwhelming when finding the house. My position, my role is helping them to remind them what is important and also what is the deal breaker. I want to make sure they find their dream home. When my client finds the house they want to make an offer, I assist them through the purchase process. I make the purchase contract for them. I do the counter offer. I use my negotiation skills. I always try to calm my clients. I don't want them to worry about too much because I always encourage them. If this one doesn't work, we move on to the next one. I'm really thrilled that I help my client to find their dream home in Hawaii.